It's the 10th of December, so what is behind door number 10? Well, let's turn around and have a look behind door number 10. Here we go. Ooh, it is Mary and Joseph and the manger, and the Bible verse is Luke chapter 2 verse 7, and it says, "She gave birth to her firstborn son and laid him in a feeding trough." So there we go, Jesus has been born and he's been put in a feeding trough, or we call it a manger. And so we began with an angel who greeted Mary, and then Joseph was then also met by an angel, and then they were told about Mary having a baby. Then they headed off to Bethlehem as they had to follow the rules for the census, and then they were placed in a stable, and now Jesus is born in a manger. So there we go. So we've opened 10 doors so far. So come back tomorrow as we open door number 11.